Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this quick video tutorial, I'll guide you through how to create your very own Instagram profile card. And don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful tutorials and tips. Open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Next, tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner to go to your Instagram profile. Once on your profile, you'll see two buttons just below your bio: Edit Profile and Share Profile. Tap on the Share Profile button. A new screen will appear showing your profile's QR code. To create your profile card, swipe left or right on the current QR code to see different card styles and layouts. This is your Instagram profile card. If you'd like to update any information, simply tap on Edit Profile and make the necessary adjustments. When you're ready, tap the Download button to save your profile card to your device. A pop-up will appear, allowing you to choose between saving the QR code or profile info. Once saved, you can share your Instagram profile card via messaging apps, email, or even social media by selecting your preferred sharing option. That's it! You've successfully created and saved your Instagram profile card. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more quick guides like this.